So let us continue with the solution of linear differential equation which is non-homogeneous. So why non-homogeneous? Because RHS part is not 0, right? Yeah, let us take now. Yeah, how to write this equation in terms of capital D? Can you tell me?
D
How
square
to
D
y.
square
D square? Huh.
Y.
plus 4dy
Huh. Okay, D
plus
square y
5y.
plus 4dy plus 5y
5.
is equal to 2 cos hyperbolic x. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. 2ex plus
E
e
raised
minus
to
x to the
x. Huh.
plus e to the power minus x divided by 2.
Huh. Correct? So if it is cos hyperbolic, there will be a plus in between. Now here you can see clearly, you can take a y common so that you will get d square plus 4d plus 5. Correct? Is equal to e raised to x plus e raised to minus x. Let us find the CF. To find CF, what is required?
Auxiliary equation.
Auxiliary equation is what? M square plus 4m plus 5 equal to 0. Isn't it the RHS, LHS part of this and this equation are same? I think so you are going to get the same root. Am I right?
Yes,
Or,
ma'am.
yeah, do check it otherwise. Confirm it. So you'll get the roots as complex. Am I right?
Same, ma'am.
Minus 2 plus
Yes,
or
ma'am. Same.
minus I. So if it is complex, how to do it? CF is e raised to minus 2x into bracket c1 cos x plus c2 sin x because you have it as I into 1. This is CF. Now let us say PI. PI, if you see the RHS part, you have two terms. So what happens when you write PI? It is converted as two terms or only one term? You have two different terms here. Okay, so when you take PI, here also you take it as two different terms. This is e raised to x plus 1 upon d square plus 4d plus 5 operating on e raised to minus x. Now just see. We are solving some examples where it is non-homogeneous differential equation. If cos hyperbolic can be written as e raised to x plus e raised to minus x divided by 2. So that if you do the cancellation, here you are going to get two terms. So here it depends on CF as well as PI. CF, depending on the nature of the roots, that is here complex, we are writing the CF part, and then PI. PI has got two terms because RHS has got two terms here. Similar to this, the next example. Okay, yeah, take down the next. Yeah, the next one is also from your paper only. D square minus 7d plus 10 into y is equal to 1 plus e raised to x whole square. We have not taken it with whole square format, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, nothing much. What we have to do is d square minus 7d plus 10 into y is equal to, yeah. Can you tell me what can be done here, RHS part? How can this be simplified?
1 plus e to the power e to the 2x.
Yeah, means what formula you are applying?
Ma'am, a plus b the whole
A plus
square.
B the whole
So
square.
a square plus b square plus 2ab. Am I correct? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now let us find CF for that auxiliary equation. M square minus 7m plus 10 equal to 0. What are the roots? What are the roots?
5 and 2.
5 and 2. Okay, plus 5 and plus 2. Okay. Tell me now, which type of roots these are? They are real as well as
Distinct.
and distinct. Yeah, how to write? For each root, write it in the form C1 e raised to first root into x, C2 e raised to second root into x. Now let us calculate Pi. 1 upon, now you can see RHS term, how many terms are there here in RHS?
3.
3 terms. So Pi when you calculate, you need to take how many? 3 only,
3.
correct? Yeah. So let me write it over here. So Pi is nothing but 1 upon d square minus 7d plus 10 operating on first term 1. How to write for 1? If any constant is there, how to write?
E raised to 0.
Yeah, e raised to 0x. Now 1 upon same term operating on second term is e raised to 2x. Now for 2 into e raised to x, you can take 2 outside. Operating on e raised to x, correct? Yeah, let us apply the procedure. All are exponential. So replace d by what here?
Minus
0.
1.
No.
Sorry,
What
1
is
mem. 1.
0. 0.
0? Coefficient of x is
1
0.
mem.
0.
How 1? Na?
Okay, ma'am. Got it. I thought e to the power 0 is 1.
E raised to 0x is 1, but coefficient of x is 1. Sorry, coefficient of x is 0. Replace d by 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Here d by 2.
2.
Here d by
1.
1. Let us see what happens. If d is 0, this is 0, this is 0. What remains?
1 by 10.
1 by 10. And e raised to 0x is 1. So I'll not write it. Now here what happens? If you replace d by 2, surely it will become 0. Check it.
Yes, ma'am, 0.
Yeah. So if it is
Yeah.
so better, write like this for your convenience, understanding. Means we are not replacing. Not replacing means
Multiply numerator by
uh, what is the derivative of denominator?
2d minus
2d
7
minus
plus
7.
0.
Yeah, 2d minus 7 plus 0. Yes, done. Here it will not become 0. So do the replacement. D square is 1 minus 7 into 1 plus 10. What is the value? Now, can we replace? Can we replace here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we can. By what? 1, 2, 0.
2.
2 only. Because for this term, the coefficient of x is 2. This is 1 by 10. I'll try to write directly. If d is 2, suppose 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 7 is how much?
Minus 3.
Minus 3. So that I will adjust here. Is a part okay? Plus 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 minus 7 is how much?
3.
Huh?
4.
11 minus 7
4.
is 4.
4.
4.
So at the most you can write it as 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. Hope you did understood all the shortcut way. Now the last step, which will give you 1 or 2 marks. Right, y equal to what CF you got, what PI you got, you should substitute compulsorily. Okay, one more example. Solve d square y by dx square minus 4y is equal to cos hyperbolic 2x minus 1 plus 3 raised to x. It's a little complicated, but they have asked in the model question paper. Yeah, tell me, how can we write the LHS part? Am I correct? Check. Is it right step?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how to write cos hyperbolic 2x minus 1? Think about it. Cos hyperbolic 2x minus 1.
Ma'am, in place of x, we have to substitute 2x minus 1.
Very good. So, cos hyperbolic 2x minus 1 is e raised to 2x minus 1 minus or plus?
Minus only, ma'am.
Cos hyperbolic
Yeah, plus.
plus.
Plus, ma'am.
These confusions are really going to be very difficult, huh? Very problematic. What happens in the exam, you will not be confident about it. So, please, cos means plus, sin hyperbolic means minus. Now, if it was constant, we would have written it as 3x, only 3 was there, we would have written it as 3 into e raised to 0x. But this is a constant, but the power is a variable. Am I right? So in such case, remember this. If you have such thing, so m is written as e raised to log m. Why? What is e raised to log of any function? Do you know this property? E raised to log m is always m, because how integration, differentiation are reverse process, no? Exponential and logarithmic are also reverse process. See, if I transfer my e here, what happens? E, if I take here, what happens? Okay, let me make it more simple. Log m is equal to log m. Am I correct? Roll number 1 is equal to roll number 1. Correct or no? Please answer. Is this correct or no? The expression A equal to A.
Yes.
Huh? Correct. Okay. So I'll keep m here. If I transfer a log, what it will be? If you transfer a log, what?
Log m by log, ma'am.
M.
No. It is log to the
M.
basic. No. If you transfer a log, it becomes exponential. I thought you will tell me this. Okay, or else best remember only this part is enough. Whenever you have here in differential equation, no, any constant, if x is attached to that, like a power, use this concept. So 3 is written as what? M is written as e log m, e raised to log m. So 3 is written as e raised to log 3.
3 log.
And what is there as it is? As it is, you write x in the power. Okay. Yeah. Right now, auxiliary equation. M square minus 4 is 0. What are the roots? What are the roots? See, m square is 4. M will be plus or minus root 4.
2 minus 2. 2
Mm.
comma minus 2.
Plus or minus 2.
Yes, plus or minus 2. Which type of roots?
Real and equal.
Distinct.
How equal are?
Sorry, ma'am. Minus 2.
That sorry is very dangerous in exam. Please. Yeah, tell me how to write that. For plus 2, c1 e raised to 2x. For minus 2, e raised to minus 2x. Pi. How many terms are there here on RHS?
3.
3. So in the first two terms, you can take half common. See how I'll write. I'll take half common and write. This is 1 upon d square minus 4 operating on e raised to log 3x. Tell me, here we have to replace d by what? we have to,
2.
what is the coefficient of x? 2. Here d has to be replaced by
-2.
Minus 2.
-2. Coefficient of x is -2. Don't forget minus is there. Here d has to be replaced by, very interesting,
Log 3.
1.
log 3. Very good. See, leaving x, whatever you have, you should take like that. Now, just check if you replace it by 2, is it going to be 0, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. So we have to replace or no?
No.
Don't replace. Here,
Yes, replace, ma'am.
what is -2 square?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Don't replace that.
Yeah, don't replace. It becomes 0. Don't replace means what is the step? Multiply by x, and what is the differentiation of d square? -4.
2D.
4d 2d
2D.
minus 0. Correct? E raised to 2x minus 1. This is same. Again, multiply by x and differentiate. Here it will not become 0 because log 3, it is not x, it is log 3. See how to write, in place of d, write it as log 3. So this is log 3 square minus 1. E raised to log 3x. Here it will not become 0, so we replaced it, correct? Okay, just observe here. This x by 2, okay, or d has to be
Minus
replaced.
4, no, ma'am. B square minus 4. Log 3 square minus 4, no, ma'am.
Yeah, sorry, not 1, -4, yes, you are correct. Now here, okay, after this, can we replace?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, here, d by what quantity?
-2.
-2. Do the replacement. This is 2 into 2, 4. Correct? This is x 1 upon 2 into -2 is how much? 2 into -2 is
Minus.
minus
-4.
minus 4. E raised to minus of 2x minus 1. Now don't take any trouble in calculating this value. Huh? Keep it as it is. Don't apply anything. Now actually what is e raised to log 3x can be written as, you can write back as 3 raised to x, no problem. Because already you have applied the procedure. Okay. Now what is common in the bracket? In this bracket?
1/4.
1 by 4 and also x is common, no?
X,
See, I'll
X,
take
X.
x by 4 out and I will take 1 by 2 inside. Because I will write 1 simplified. Now here it is plus or minus in between.
Minus.
Minus, because you have here a minus, no? So this is what is remaining, e raised to minus of 2x minus 1 whole divided by 2. Can you tell me what is the value of the bracket, flower bracket?
Sin hyperbolic.
Yeah,
Sin
that
hyperbolic 2x minus 1.
2x minus 1.
very good. Yes. Sometimes it is converted. That time you write. If it is not converting, if they are different values, here it is different. Here it is same. So we thought of taking it. See, there was one example. I think just now we have taken cos hyperbolic. Here no, this e raised to x and e raised to minus x was there, but denominator was different. So I did not tell you that. Here, if you can take by taking common, if you can write it. Otherwise, okay, also okay. Understood? Yeah, this is how we have to take if any constant or anything is there. So I'll give you some homework sums. Just make a note of it. Then I can stop the class. Yeah, take these problems for homework and try to solve and get the answer. Okay? So I'll continue in the next class.